Hi and welcome back again. In this video we'll be looking at what's called the definite article in Greek. In other words, we'll be learning how to say the. What is an article? Well, in English we have two articles, a and the. And we can easily tell the difference between a book and the book. A or a or an is the indefinite article. That tells us that the following noun is not any particular member of its category. It's just any book in general, anything of that category in general. The is the definite article in English, and it indicates that the following noun is a particular member of its category. It's not just any book, it's the book, the one that we see or the one that we've been talking about. In Greek, we have no indefinite article. There's nothing equivalent to a. And so a noun on its own is always assumed to be indefinite. Logos, then, means a word. Theos means a god, a deity. Greek has only a definite article as a separate word, the. This comes in three forms, one for each gender. And like nouns, it takes different forms in different cases. The basic form of the definite article is tau, followed by the first or second declension case ending. But, as often happens, the nominative forms are irregular, particularly in the masculine and feminine. So let's look at those. These are the forms of the nominative definite article. In the second declension masculine, it's ha. In the first declension feminine, it's he. And in the second declension neuter, it's ta. Notice that for the masculine and feminine, really the definite article is just the connecting vowel with a rough breathing mark. But notice that in the feminine, even for feminine nouns that end in an alpha, we use the eta connecting vowel for the definite article. Also, notice that in the neuter, we have the more regular form of the definite article, tau plus the neuter ending a. Another thing for us to be aware of here is that there are no third declension definite articles. So the first and second declension forms are also used for third declension nouns. That's good news, because it just means that you have fewer forms to learn. Here are some examples. Logos means a word, but ha logos means the word. Thura means a door. He thura means the door. Teknon means a child. Ta teknon means the child. Thugater means a daughter. And notice that thugater here is a third declension noun, but we're still going to use the regular first declension feminine form. He thugater is the daughter. Word order generally doesn't affect meaning in Greek, but there are a few exceptions, and the article is one of them. The definite article, if it's going to be present, has to come before its noun. So it's correct to say ha logos, it's correct to say he adelphe, but it would be wrong to say teknon ta. You have to say ta teknon. And everything between the definite article and its noun modifies that noun. And we'll see how this works later, but for the moment, just keep in mind whatever goes between the article and the noun modifies the noun. You can learn more about the Greek article in Mounce's Basics of Biblical Greek in Chapter 6, and look in particular at the exegetical insight on page 27.